Hey guys, welcome to VRK Homemaker. Today I'm gonna prepare idli with this batter. So batter is getting ready, guys, with the grinder. I'm doing it so that idlis are going to be so fluffy, very softy and tasty also. To get such a tasty idlis, please follow these tips so that definitely you also get a fluffy idli. And look, now the batter is ready. Look how it is looking. The consistency, it should not be watery nor so thick, also medium. It should be like this. The consistency is awesome. It is perfect. Now let's make idlis. Now I just bought the molds for the idlis. Look, I just grease with the oil. Now it is ready now completely all over the molds. You have to apply the grease the oil. And now the batter I'm just pouring into the idli. You might be thinking why she made this idlis video. Everybody knows, of course everybody knows, but thing is you have to add little bit of salt and little bit of cooking soda with that. And the batter making is very important. If you want how to make those ingredients, what all things I'm gonna use to make this batter, I'll make one more video. But thing is how to do this idlis after batter. Many of them might not be knowing, who are beginners. This will be helpful, I thought, so thought of showing this video. Now completely all the molds I'm gonna fill with the batter. Look at this vessel which we are gonna make and steam the idlis. For this vessel only I just added nearly 4 cups of water there. And now I'm gonna place that molds which are already filled with the batter one by one. 4 molds I have, so just adding even 4 because one two times it will take to finish off all these idlis. To show you guys, I'm just keeping all the molds here. I'm using it, so nearly 4 plates I've kept here. Now I'm just gonna close with the lid so that it is going to take at least 15 minutes to cook. And after that, if you see, the fluffy idlis will be ready, guys. And who are watching me for the first time, please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon to get my new notification, and share this video, like this video. Who are beginners, definitely this video will be useful, I feel. And look, you have to touch and see with the one more trick I wanna should tell you. The holes you can see no in the molds, you have to keep it in the opposite direction of each hole. When the plate you place no the same hole, it shouldn't be the same space, same place. It should be in the opposite direction so that the steam will come all over the vessel. Completely it will cover, and your idlis will be very fluffy also. And look how I'm touching. Please just dip your hand into the water and then you can touch the idlis, so that if it is sticky, it will take time, another 5 minutes. If it is not sticky, then your idlis are ready. This, look how our idlis, wow, look at the steam, how it is coming out. With that steam we are gonna prepare idlis, and it is very healthy. Look at the holes I just kept in the opposite direction, even the down plate, everything. Wow, this is nice, no? This is really awesome, guys. I really love idlis. Even my son love to have this. It's very fluffy and soft idlis. If you want to make very soft idlis, definitely follow all these steps. And who really want to know how I prepared the batter, please ask me to comment section. Definitely I'll help you out through how what all the ingredients I've used for these soft idlis. And guys, now the idlis are ready. Look, the spoon I'm using to remove the idli, the particular spoon I'm using it, that is only made for idlis removing only. Look how I'm doing. I'm just dipping into the water, that particular spoon, and then I'm removing the idli. Look how it is coming, guys. Wow, it is so hot and so fluffy and very smoothie. So I'm waiting to have it. Let's catch up with the new video tomorrow. Until then, take care. Bye bye.